best. It's the best he is. God is the best, for the rest he lives, and the best he gives, even to the ones who question him and don't rest in him. But when things go crazy, they try to lock him down just like they arresting him. The question is, are we willing to serve him for who he is? Through these years and through these tears, I've discovered just how great he is. My fears and my worries are long gone, for they are placed in the master's care. I've learned to take my problems and leave them there, even when I've had to pray the fastest prayer. That's why his love is so easy to share. He's just so awesome, so I am filled with awe when I see how my Savior deals with flaws. He heals and calls on us to come out from among them, to separate ourselves from them, to be the unhigh-strung, sometimes called far-flung, represent the unsung hero of all creation. I'm a part of God's nation, so I pledge allegiance to the King and show appreciation for the things he has done. Even after sending his son, he offered salvation to everyone, and he ain't even done. He proceeds to be everything we'll ever need. I've never seen anything like it. That's just like him. Who can duplicate his deeds? Because of him, the bound are free, the blind can see, the mute can sing. Just like my heart, when I start doing my part to share the love of my God. From start to finish, my heart is in him. What a lowly Savior he is, to continue to extend his heart to men, even while they revile and deny his existence. Persecute his people with persistence. But my friend, I'm here to rend that resistance to the truth is like driving a car with no wheels, eating at a table with no meals, having a heart that don't feel. You see how something is missing? That's why I'm on a mission to without shame proclaim the matchless power of his name. Since that day he came, my life completely changed. He rearranged my thought process. He bought my mess and exchanged it with his love. And even though I deserve nothing from above, he lets me know that I'm a child of his. But in the end, if he's not proven himself to be anything else, he's my friend. He laid down his life, then looked past my strife, and I don't know what you think, but he does Savior right, my God. He sees to it that my past is slateless. I'll forever and ever revere him as the greatest. As the greatest. My God. He's the greatest. The greatest. My God's the greatest.